Hey everybody, and welcome to my first hair tutorial. So today I am doing some spring twists, and first I'm going to start with some shine and jam just to give it a little more professional look, to look like, I actually went somewhere to go do it instead of doing it myself. So I just take a small amount of that and put it at the roots, just like so. Do-do. So I'm getting some more just so I can do the other side. And just a little information about the hair. So I got it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. And I got, I believe I got a 14-inch, but everything will be like down there. So now I'm just taking the rubber band. And yes, I do use the rubber band method, and no, it does not break my hair off. And I saw somewhere that if you put oil on it, it helps like stop the breakage even more. So I never experienced breakage, but since they say it helps, I just said why not. So I just put the rubber band on, and I make sure not to do it too tight because I am going to crochet the hair through the rubber band, as you'll see in a second. So now I'm taking this leave-in conditioner from Allie K Naturals. It's lemongrass in it, and it smells amazing. So I just put that all down the shaft of my hair and make sure it penetrates and gets in there really well. And then I take the Shea yogurt from the same company, and it smells amazing. Like, this lemongrass scent is amazing. So I just put it on there. And then I do the same thing as I did with the conditioner. Just put it all down the shaft of my hair. Make sure it's getting penetrated and nice and moisturized, because you don't want your hair to dry up, because this is a protective style. So you want to protect your hair. You want the style to be cute, but you also want to protect your hair. So this is the crochet needle, and you want to make sure that it is closed when it goes through your hair. So that's what I was showing you guys. And then this is the spring hair that I used. And I got, a little longer length because I didn't know if I would like the really short look. So this is what it looks like. It's very springy. And so now what I'm doing, I'm just running my hand down the hair just to give it a more of a fluffy look, so it doesn't look so flat. So you just want to fluff out the hair a little bit just to make sure that your twist is getting springy and fluffy and has a cute little look to it. And it took a little longer than I thought it would, but yeah, it was okay, whatever. So now I'm just putting it through my hair, and then I'm going to check to make sure that each side is the same length, so that it's even, so that when I do my twist, I don't have no lopsided twists or whatever. So make sure that it's even, and it is. So what I do, take my real hair, tighten it so I can, the style can be nice and tight, and I just start twisting. So we just twist and twist and twist all the way down. And I'm not sure if you guys have ever done like rope twists or anything, but usually you would twist in the palm, what am I saying? You would twist with your fingers and then twist it around, if that makes sense. But with a spring twist, you don't have to do that. You can just twist it normally like you doing any kind of twist in your hair. And so, yep, this is really awkward. I get close up just to show you guys, how I'm doing and what I'm doing. But, yeah, it's really pretty simple. But yeah, this is my first voiceover, so I don't really know what to do. So anyways, so what I just did was I kind of let the twist go just a little bit to make sure that it was springing up the way that I wanted it to. And then once I saw that it was, I just continued to twist. And if it didn't, I would just have to start over to get the look that I was going for. It's kind of similar to passion twists, but it's not exactly the same technique as passion twists. And if you guys want a tutorial on that, maybe. But I told myself I was never doing passion twists in my hair again. It was really cute, but it took me literally forever to finish them. But yeah, so as we get towards the bottom of the twist, I just well, you'll see in a second. Okay, so here we go. So at the end of the twist, I just kind of twirl it around my finger a little bit just to give it the coily effect at the end. And then that's it. That's the twist. And then I spring it up and hit myself in the face. Don't do that. But yeah, so now I'm just checking to make sure it's even with the other twists, and I start with the next twist. And I'm going to show you guys again how I do it, but I'm speeding it up so it won't be so, you know, So yep, just doing the same thing. Yeah, this is this is awkward. But yeah, so I'm just doing the same thing with the leave-in conditioner, taking the shea yogurt, putting it in my hair. I actually, you know, didn't put the rubber band first, but you know, you do it however you feel, however is comfortable for you, whatever. So then putting the shiny jam, putting that all around my hair to give it a more sleek and professional look. And rubbing that in, making sure it's all nice and rubbed in. So yep, I'm doing the same thing with the rubber band. I wanted this to, so I'm showing you guys twice because I really wanted it to be detailed, because a lot of the tutorials that I looked up, I was like, I get it, but I don't, so I'm just kind of wing it and do it the way that I think. So I'm just trying to give this an in-depth tutorial, and so hopefully I'm not boring y'all, but hopefully y'all are getting some information and understanding how to do the twist, because it's kind of simple, but it's still a lot that goes into it. And also the prep time, like the time that it's taking me to actually get to twisting, doesn't take this long. I'm just really trying to show you guys how to do it. So yep, I'm just twisting it on down again. Twist, twist, twist. And yeah, like I said, it doesn't really take this long, but I'm just trying to help you guys.
Finally stop running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming.
So as you can see, I am finished with my hair. Just about to put some edge control on my edges. Edge booster, style factor, you know. That's really the only edge control that really works for my edges. So that's what I've been using for like 2 years maybe. And I just take my little brush, just brush a little swoop. And that's my edges. So yeah, I like the way that they turned out. If you see frizzies, these are, you know, the ones that I already did that are like maybe like a couple weeks old or whatever. So I didn't do the back, I just refreshed the front. I think I redid like all of these so that they look nice and neat in the last couple more weeks, even though we are quarantined, so it really don't matter what my hair look like. But I do want to protect it just so it's not all willy-nilly and it break off and stuff like that. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just show you guys how I keep it kind of fresh. And so I take the leave-in conditioner, just spray it, rub it in a little bit, spray it. Get it all in there. Then what I do, so I take this growth oil spray, the tropical roots. So I've been using this for a long time. And I just spray in my hair, on my forehead, spray it all throughout. And I spray that maybe like a couple nights out of the week, maybe like 3 or 4. So that's a few, not a couple. But yeah, so I spray that in my hair, let that get all in. Last thing I'll do is just put some mousse in my hair. You can really use any mousse, but I got this Tresemme Professionals. Well, actually, my mom got it and she didn't like it, so I was like, I'll take it. Get that. Just give it a little slick, professional look. And I put it all down. Put it all down there, so. Did that. To the other side. Then this is the extra hold. Yeah, so it's just, it'll make the style look fresher for a little longer. And I do that like right after I do my hair. And then I say I do that maybe like twice a week too. And yeah, that's about it. I'll put my scarf. Just tie that down. Yeah, thanks for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.